Hi Anthony, it's the Rap here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide with lots of things done on it. They were selling it for $20,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully certified. It's tons of things done on it. Exhaust, lots of chrome, the ape hangers, all the wires through it, the longer bags as you see, and I love this new bags with the single handle on it too. The LED tail lights. That's the mileage in kilometers. The chrome forks, LED front lights all blacked out, the Clockworks windshield, and the 2007 Road King. Look at the shape of the bike. It has almost 40,000 kilometers, but it looks like perfect. So it has exhaust, LEDs, tail lights, removable backrest for passenger, for the rider, the quick detach windshield. The cluster was modified to the custom one. You can customize the colors of it. It has around 600 colors, all LED lights on the front. So both bikes are here. We have an application for the Road King, but no deposit. If you be interested, you can transfer deposit. Who comes first gets served first as well. So if you have any questions, call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. This is again the price $20,888 plus HST, $11,888 plus HST. Please let us know. Thank you.